Hello there. What's side with it, royal family? It's your girl Lay of Natural Lay, spiritually known as Luna La Negra. I don't know where to look. I'm using my phone today. So before I go any further, please make sure you like this video, comment, share, subscribe, and turn on your post notifications because we have a lot more content coming to you very, very soon. And before I continue to go any further, please allow me to greet you with a divine prayer known as the Anabacoa. Anabacoa, Gijalat Yaminka, Tatir Tizrura, Kabel Renat, Amsha Sakvenu Taharanu Nora, Nagibor, Dorshe Ygadeka, Kavavat Shamrim, Barkam Tarum, Rakame, Tazika Teka, Tamir Kamlim, Chasin Kadosh, Baraf Tufka, Nahelada Teka, Yakid Ge'e, Lam Champane, Zokreka Dushateka, Shavatanu Kabel, Ushma Tazakatanu, Yudea Ta'alavut, Burukshim, Kavod Malkuto, Lalam Vayed. Thank you, and thank you for tuning in once again. I like to take us outside, get us some fresh air, so pardon any outside or external noises, and we will do our best to keep this video in particular quick because of phone space, and mostly because of phone space. So, today is week 4. You've made it to week 4. Yay, thank you for rocking with me. So we are on week 4 of understanding written rhythm. Today is on pronunciation. The whole reason for this series is to learn mantras, to get that foundation of learning mantras so you can see that the way mantras are written, which is in a divine language, but they're encoded not only with special messages, but the pattern in which they're written in is also used in both music and poetry. So I wanted to make that correlation because I think it's relatively necessary and cool to know. And this is the way that I'm learning this mantra. I wanted to bring you guys along with me on my Usnisa Vijaya journey. So this is that, and I turned it into a class. So before we get started, I want to give a huge happy birthday to Big Brother Chris Enlightened. Yay! Happy birthday to you once again. I'm so grateful for you. I'm grateful to study the greats and be aligned with just the best winning team. And happy solar return. So please, if you do nothing else, comment below or comment on one of his videos. Give him some love for his birthday. Even subscribe. That would be amazing. So yay. So I now want to do a mini quiz. So you saw it when I held it up. I want to give a mini quiz. So comment below and I'll give the answer next week. So tune in for part 5 next week. Question A. What is the name of this? We call it faces of feet, right? What is the name of this pattern? Answer for B as well. What is the name of this pattern? So we're looking at the types of stresses, if we recall from weeks 1, 2, and 3. So what are A and B called respectively? And our last question is, what is the name of a foot in music? We went over this in both week 1 and 2 with a recap in 3, I believe. So what is the name of a foot in music? So this is our mini pop quiz. Please answer below. I want to see who's keeping up and following along. I guess I won't really know if you know because it's not like we're live, but yes, here's your mini quiz. And I hope you've been doing your homework. It's fun to me. I find myself saying the first couple lines randomly throughout the day, so that lets me know that subconsciously, like, it's in my head and we're getting it. So how has your week been in terms of learning the first line or two? Were you able to record yourself? Let me know. So last week we went over the first line of pronunciation. Please don't mind my nails. I couldn't find the nail polish remover. We're gonna go get some after. Amen. Okay. Don't judge. So we went over the first line, and now we'll go from the first line to the second line. So I will say the first line about 3 times. I will slow it down, and then we'll jump right into the second line, okay? And we'll wrap up for the day. Namo Bhagavate, Trilokya, Pradavisistaya, Buddhaya Bhagavate, Tadayata, Om. Namo Bhagavate, Trilokya, Pradavisistaya, Buddhaya Bhagavate, Tadayata, Om. Namo Bhagavate, Namo Bhagavate, Trilokya, Pradavisistaya, Buddhaya Bhagavate, Tadayata, Om. Otra vez, because I got distracted. Namo Bhagavate, Trilokya, Pradavisistaya, Buddhaya Bhagavate, Tadayata, Om. Yay! So if you were able to keep up with that pace, congratulations, that's awesome. So I'll just say it slow about 1 to 2 times, and we'll jump right into the second line. Namo Bhagavate, Trilokya, Pradavisistaya, Buddhaya Bhagavate, Tadayata, Om. Namo Bhagavate, Trilokya, Pradavisistaya, Buddhaya Bhagavate, Tadayata, Om. Namo Bhagavate, Trilokya, Pradavisistaya, Buddhaya Bhagavate, Tadayata, Om. Yay, line 1. All right, great job. And in editing, I should have it over here and be underlining as we go. So that's why I'm like sitting still over here. So yeah, we're trying to get fancy with it. We're going to move on to line 2. And again, we're going to do this line for line until we get the entire prayer down. So we're going to spend some time on this. Visudeya, Visudeya, Asama, line 2. Visudeya, Visudeya, Asama Sama, Samantava Bahasa, Svabhava Visudi, Abhasinkatu Mam. Svabhava is a bit of a tongue twister, I understand. Svabhava, Svabhava. Just keep repeating that. Oh, have I been saying it wrong? I would have to rewatch this to know if I've been saying this right now. I have no idea. I have been saying it wrong. My apologies. Visudeya, Visudeya, Asama Sama, Samantava Bahasa, Sparana Gati Gahana, Svabhava Visudi, Abhasinkatu Mam. Visudeya, Visudeya, Asama Sama, Samantava Bahasa, Sparana Gati Gahana, Svabhava Visudi, Abhasinkatu Mam. Visudeya, Visudeya, Asama Sama, Samantava Bahasa, Sparana Gati Gahana, Svabhava Visudi, Abhasinkatu Mam. Visudeya, Visudeya, Asama Sama, Samantava Bahasa, Sparana Gati Gahana, Svabhava Visudi, Abhasinkatu Mam. Yay! So let's put it all together and we're done. Namo Bhagavate, Trilokya, Pradavisistaya, Buddhaya Bhagavate, Tadayata, Om. Visudeya, Visudeya, Asama Sama, Samantava Bahasa, Sparana Gati Gahana, Svabhava Visudi, Abhasinkatu Mam. Namo Bhagavate, Trilokya, Pradavisistaya, Buddhaya Bhagavate, Tadayata, Om. Visudeya, Visudeya, Asama Sama, Samantava Bahasa, Sparana Gati Gahana, Svabhava Visudi, Abhasinkatu Mam. Yay! We got it! I apologize for that mishap. I might edit that out. I might leave it. We've got lines 1 and 2 down. So I'll say the third line, so that way for those who want to advance can learn the third line, but your new homework is to incorporate lines 1 and 2. So start repeating those, record lines 1 and 2, start listening to it. I will also put a link, I think I've been doing this, but a link for the Usnisa Vijaya in full if you want that on repeat, so you can continue to listen to it in full. So the third line starts with Sugata, and we're going to end with Padai. Sugata Vara Vakana, Amirta Abasikai, Mahamantra Padai. Sugata Vara Vakana, Amirta Abasikai, Mahamantra Padai. Sugata Vara Vakana, Amirta Abasikai, Mahamantra Padai. All right. You're doing amazing. I'm so happy and grateful for you. Thank you for sticking it out. Thank you for embarking on this journey with me. And please make sure you rate this class today, 1 through 10. Did you learn something new? Are things making sense? And also, I would like to make a Facebook group for this class, but I will not make it, and I can be the only one up in that John. So long as one person comments below that they would like a Facebook group for this class where you can get one-on-one help, other classmates, but direct access to me, I'll go ahead and make it. So one person is all it takes. I found you in peace. I would love to leave you in peace. Again, with a divine prayer known as the Anabacoa. Anabacoa, Gijalat Yaminka, Tatir Tizrura, Kabel Renat, Amsha, Sagvenu, Taharanu Nora, Nagibor, Dorshei Gadeka, Kabavat Shamrim, Barkam Tarum, Rakame, Tazika Teka, Tamid Gamlim, Chasin Kadosh, Baraf Tufka, Nahelada Teka, Yakid Ge, Lam Chapane, Zokre, Kadusha Teka, Shavatanu Kabel, Ushma, Tazakatanu, Yodea to Alamut. Burkshem, Kavod Malkuto, Lalam Vaye. Thank you once again. The gratitude alarm just went off. It's 5 p.m. So yay! Thank you again, class. You've been amazing. Please tune in next week for week 5. We'll continue with pronunciation. We'll go over the pop quiz, and please make sure you do your homework so that way you can learn this amazing divine prayer known as the Usnisa Vijaya. Until next time, be blessed, and don't you ever forget to stay magical always. Mwah. Luna La Negra out.